Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok live option not showing issue on your TikTok account. So guys, if you are trying to go live on your TikTok account but you see this issue and you are unable to go live because there is no option to go live, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, you have to simply make it sure that you have more than 1000 followers on TikTok account. And if you don't have 1000 followers, then you will not be able to go live anymore. So guys, this is the first condition. And after this, you have to simply go to settings. And from here, you have to go to your general settings on your device and then scroll it below, and from here go to language and region and select your country or region where the live option is available. So guys, if the live option is not available on your country or region, then change your country or region and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go to general section again, scroll it below, and from here go to VPN and device management and connect your device with a VPN and change your location from your country to other country where the TikTok live option is available. So guys, simply do this and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply contact the TikTok support team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.